Hi everyone. This is a recording on how to make a recording within your PowerPoint presentation. This is a great feature to use for opportunities to talk about the lesson and also to be able to help navigate students through different learning methods. To get this, simply once you're done with your PowerPoint presentation, you're going to go up to the top taskbar, go to Slideshow, and record slideshow. Once here, you'll have a different window which will load on your screen. You'll see that this is a presentation mode where you can start to have your microphone, camera, and because I'm using my camera right now, it's not going to show. And then you'll be able to also have notes, advance through slides, and even change some settings. You'll also have features down here at the bottom, which will allow you to use some of the applications such as a laser pointer, an eraser, a pen if you want to highlight something, or a highlighter for your presentation. You can always go back and erase if you make any mistakes. There's a wide variety of colors that you can use. Once you've selected your features for your recording, you can go up to Record. It will give you a countdown, and you can start presenting. At any time, if you need to stop, you can hit stop, or you can replay if needed. You can also continue on with your recording by hitting back the recording button. To advance through your slides, simply click on the right-hand play button, and you can play through your slides. Once you feel comfortable with your recordings, simply stop the recording, and you can, if you feel like, hey, I want to go back, I want to change things, you can clear the recordings on current slide or all slides as you go through. To simply get out of this recording, just hit X, and you'll be brought up with a window that will have your recordings as a part of each of the slides. To hear your recording, by hitting back the recording button, simply push the play button to see what recordings are on what slides. Each slide is timed to have your recording. To save your recording, simply go up to File, Save As, determine where you want to save the file. You can make it a PowerPoint presentation, but for it to play on its own, you can make it into different formats. You can make it into a MP4 format, a Windows Media video format, animated GIF, JPEG, and more. For this one, we're going to make it an MP4. And simply save. And that's it. Now you can access your folder wherever you've saved it to have access to that file. So here it is. And you can tell right here with the cone. Thank you.